You don't walk into interactions to see what happens. You walk into it waiting for it to go wrong. You're normally not present. You're already in the version of the future where she loses interest. So now everything you experience gets filtered through that lens. When she replies late, you interpret that as she's not interested. When she goes quiet, you interpret that as you must be boring. Nothing actually happened, but you reacted like it already did. So you hesitate, you overthink, you adjust yourself trying not to lose something that was never lost. So now you are not acting normally anymore. You are managing your perception. You are playing it safe. That shifts, that subtle tension. She feels that before you even say anything. So the interaction changes. Not because of her, but because of how you chose to show up. Why men who expect rejection get rejected isn't because they are unlucky, but because they walk into the room already expecting rejection, which makes them act in a way that would make them rejected.